When Apple launched its latest M4 Max MacBook Pro, many wondered how it could outshine its predecessors. The answer lies in the combination of cutting-edge hardware, stunning aesthetics, and undeniable performance improvements. Today, we're diving into the unboxing and first impressions of the M4 Max MacBook Pro 16-inch in space black, a model that truly redefines what a professional-grade laptop should be. With an upgraded design, enhanced hardware, and meticulous attention to detail, this device stands as a beacon for creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts. Let's break down everything you need to know about this powerhouse and, of course, how it compares to the bin version of the M4 Max. Unboxing experience. Subtle, yet striking. As expected from Apple, the unboxing experience for the M4 Max MacBook Pro 16-inch remains minimalist yet premium. However, the Space Black Edition offers a subtle upgrade to the experience, a color-matching matte black MagSafe cable. This detail may seem small, but it perfectly complements the sleek space black body, elevating the entire experience. Upon lifting the lid, the Space Black MacBook Pro immediately captures your attention. The finish is not pure black, but rather a deep gunmetal gray that shifts beautifully under different lighting conditions. In darker settings, it appears almost pitch black, exuding a stealthy charm. Meanwhile, brighter lighting reveals a darker take on Apple's signature space gray, which feels fresh and modern. The space black aesthetic, a masterpiece in design. The space black color is undoubtedly the star of this unboxing. Compared to the silver version, the space black finish is both subtle and commanding. The dark Apple logo blends seamlessly with the body, creating an elegant and professional appearance. This new color finish also brings practical benefits. The matte texture is surprisingly effective at resisting fingerprints and smudges, a common issue with darker finishes. While dust and minor smudges are more noticeable compared to silver, the fingerprint-resistant coating makes cleanup much easier, maintaining the laptop's pristine appearance over time. For those seeking a laptop that's not only a tool but also a statement, the Space Black MacBook Pro delivers. The cohesive black keyboard and chassis further enhance its sleek and uniform design. Performance showdown. Binned versus unbinned M4 Max chips. One of the most exciting aspects of this unboxing was the chance to compare the binned M4 Max to the unbinned version. Let's break it down. Binned M4 Max specs. 14-core CPU. 10 performance cores, for efficiency cores. 32-core GPU. 36 GB unified memory. 410 GB per second memory bandwidth. Unbinned M4 Max specs. 16-core CPU. 12 performance cores, for efficiency cores. 40-core GPU. 48 GB unified memory. 546 GB per second memory bandwidth. The difference in performance between the two chips is noticeable, especially for power users. The unbinned M4 Max offers a 15% boost in CPU performance. The additional 2 performance cores provide a smoother experience in multitasking and processing-heavy applications. A 20% increase in GPU performance. With 40 GPU cores, graphics rendering, video editing, and high-performance gaming are significantly faster and more efficient. Enhanced memory bandwidth and RAM. The unbinned version's 546 GB per second bandwidth and 48 GB of unified memory make it ideal for demanding workflows, from 4K video editing to machine learning tasks. While the binned version offers solid performance, the unbinned M4 Max is a no-compromise option, providing the best performance available in any MacBook to date. Real-world usage. Why Space Black steals the show. Design and portability. The space black finish isn't just about aesthetics. Its darker silhouette visually reduces the MacBook's footprint, making it appear more compact. For those who prioritize both form and function, this is a win-win. The matte black keyboard is a subtle but effective upgrade, perfectly complementing the rest of the design. Whether you're working in a dimly lit room or presenting in a boardroom, the Space Black MacBook Pro radiates sophistication. Daily durability. Apple has also implemented a fingerprint-resistant coating, which is a game-changer for those concerned about smudges. While it's not perfect, this finish is far more resistant than most other dark-colored laptops. For professionals constantly on the move, the Space Black MacBook Pro balances durability and beauty, ensuring your device looks as good on day 300 as it did on day 1. Who should choose the unbinned M4 Max? The decision between the binned and unbinned M4 Max largely depends on your needs. Choose the binned M4 Max if you're looking for a high-performance machine without stretching your budget too far. The binned version is still a powerhouse, outperforming most laptops in its class. Choose the unbinned M4 Max if you're a professional who needs the absolute best performance Apple offers. Whether you're editing 8K video, designing complex 3D models, or running machine learning algorithms, the unbinned version ensures you have all the power and memory bandwidth you need. In essence, if you're already investing in a machine like this, spending the extra $500 for the unbinned version is a no-brainer for those who want to future-proof their purchase. Pricing and value. Let's address the elephant in the room: price. At $3,500 for the binned version, the M4 Max MacBook Pro is already a hefty investment. Upgrading to the unbinned version brings the cost to $4,000. However, when you consider the increased performance, enhanced memory bandwidth, and additional RAM, the price difference becomes justifiable for professionals who rely on their machines for intensive workflows. If you're considering the M4 Pro, which starts at $2,900, it offers nearly identical CPU performance to the binned M4 Max. However, the unbinned M4 Max outshines both in GPU performance and memory bandwidth, making it the top choice for demanding users. Final thoughts: why the Space Black M4 Max MacBook Pro stands out. Apple's M4 Max MacBook Pro 16-inch in Space Black is more than just a laptop. It's a statement piece for professionals who demand the best. From its stunning design to its unmatched performance, it's clear that this MacBook Pro isn't just a refresh, it's a redefinition of what a professional-grade laptop should be. For those debating between the binned and unbinned versions, the choice ultimately depends on your workload and budget. However, the unbinned M4 Max represents the pinnacle of Apple's hardware capabilities, offering performance without limits. If you're looking for a machine that seamlessly blends power, beauty, and functionality, the Space Black M4 Max MacBook Pro is the ultimate choice.